Here's how to cancel CapCut Pro on your iPhone. Now on your iPhone, let's open up the CapCut app. We can either do it in the app or the App Store. I'll walk you through both options. The first thing you're going to do is tap on Me at the very bottom right. And here you can see at the very top, it says T Nace and Standard. So I'm paying for the Standard account. You might be paying for the Pro account and it might say Pro here. So let's tap where it says Standard right next to your name. And there you can see it says Standard expires on 26/2/19. And you can see upgrade to get more credits, etc. If you wanted to be able to cancel it, you can see at the very top right in very fine letters is the Manage button. Let's tap on Manage at the top right. And here's the individual plan, and there is cancel subscription. I can tap on that and hit confirm to cancel that subscription. However, not everyone will see it in here. If you don't see it in here, you can instead hop into the App Store on your iPhone and then just tap on your profile at the top right and then tap on subscriptions. This is another place that you can cancel all of the subscriptions. You can see there is CapCut. I can just tap on it and hit cancel subscription, and it will no longer bill me going forward.